Cars, like every piece of machinery designed by man, can never be 100% efficient. This means that depending on each vehicle manufacturer, maintenance, and a number of other factors, most cars have their mileage peak somewhere around 200,000. But there are a few cars out there that not only exceed that number, but can nearly double that number with so much ease. Which vehicles fall into this elite category of cars that simply never break down? Stay with us in this video as we take you through the top 13 of them. Mercedes-Benz W124 E-Class. Getting right into it, there's no better car to start with than the Mercedes-Benz W124 E-Class. This beauty was built in the 1980s and early 90s, but you still see it cruising down the road like it's fresh off the showroom floor. The W124 is widely regarded as one of Mercedes' best ever builds, with a reputation for extreme reliability and timeless design. Its suspension is tough as nails, and the engine is as close to bulletproof as you can get. Sure, its tech might feel a bit outdated, but if you're looking for a car that just keeps running and running, the W124 is the choice. With proper care, it'll easily rack up well over 300,000 kilometers. You'll be pulling into your driveway in a car that feels like you've stepped back into a time when cars were made to last a lifetime. Pujo 504. Next up, we have the Pujo 504. Pujo 504 being on this list might seem like a curveball, but it's as deserving as the most durable title as any other. This car is legendary not just for its reliability, but for its sheer toughness. The 504 was sold from the 1960s to the early 1980s, and it's earned its place in the history as one of the most durable sedans of all time. While it might not offer the modern luxury of today's cars, it more than makes up for it in longevity. The 504's simple mechanics mean there's not much to go wrong, and its suspension is built to take on all kinds of rough terrain. Whether you're driving in the city or the countryside, the 504 just keeps going, and if you find one in good condition, it's still a reliable daily driver. Its classic look and dependable engine make it a car that's truly built to endure. Volvo P1800. Straight after that, let's take a look at the Volvo P1800. Yes, it's a coupe, but the sheer reliability of the P1800 deserves a spot on this list. A classic in every sense of the word, the P1800 was built to last hundreds of kilometers and then some. With its unbreakable Volvo construction and simple yet solid design, this car has survived decades of wear and tear and is still going strong in the collector's market today. A great testament to Volvo's engineering, the P1800's 1.8-liter engine is known for its resilience, and with the right care, it'll continue to run for decades. And don't forget the stunning looks and that smooth classic ride that never goes out of style. There's the misconception that this car is just for show, but boy, oh boy, could that not be farther from the truth. The Volvo P800 is the perfect blend of sporty design and long-term durability. Volkswagen Golf. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have the Volkswagen Golf. Many countries in Europe are known for producing durable, resilient cars, but there's just something about the way the Germans do it. The Volkswagen Golf is the perfect example of this. It might not scream luxury, but when it comes to reliability, it's an absolute legend. The Golf is known for being practically indestructible, especially the older models. It doesn't matter if you're driving a 1.8T or a diesel version. This compact sedan hatchback will keep on chugging. Its small size doesn't mean a lack of durability either. German engineering ensures that this car can handle all kinds of roads and conditions without breaking a sweat. The Golf's tech might not blow your mind like a brand new luxury car, but its reliability is what sets it apart. With regular maintenance, these cars can easily last well beyond 300,000 kilometers. And let's not forget that it's practical too, with great fuel economy, plenty of space, and a smooth, stable drive. The Golf may not be the flashiest, but it's a trusty companion that won't quit on you no matter how long you've been driving it. Porsche 911. Moving on quickly, let's check out the air-cooled Porsche 911. To regard the air-cooled 911 as one of the most iconic cars ever made is not a stretch by any means, but its reliability is one of the things that makes it even more legendary. These beauties, produced between the 1960s and early 90s, are known for their simple, almost indestructible engines. While they're sporty as heck, they're also surprisingly durable, with some owners pushing past the 500,000 kilometer mark with minimal issues. The 911's rear engine layout and unique design make it a car that's not only fun to drive, but also incredibly well built. If you're looking for a ride that combines performance and longevity, this is it. The air-cooled Porsche 911 isn't just a collector's car, it's a practical, reliable piece of automotive history that'll make every trip feel like an adventure. Plus, let's be honest, who doesn't want to drive a Porsche? Volvo 900 series. Next up, let's take a quick look at the Volvo 900 series. The Volvo brand is known for reliability, and the 900 series is just another proof of this. This isn't a car that's going to win any beauty contest, but what it lacks in style, it makes up for in sheer dependability. The 900 series, especially the 960, is a tank. Well built and engineered to withstand just about anything, the engines in these Volvos are robust and designed to last for hundreds of thousands of kilometers. To add to that, Volvo's focus on safety and comfort makes this car a joy to drive for long distances. You'll be driving a vehicle that was built to last with minimal maintenance needs over time. The 900 series may not have the flashiest technology or the most cutting-edge features, but it's certainly a car you can trust to go the distance without breaking down. 2005 Mercedes-Benz C200 Compressor Sport. Coming in at number 7 is the 2005 Mercedes-Benz C200 Compressor Sport. A sporty, compact sedan with a supercharged engine that offers power and smooth handling. The C200 Compressor is surprisingly reliable for a performance-focused vehicle. Mercedes-Benz built this one to last, and with the right care, it can give you years of solid service. The C200 Compressor offers that superior Mercedes luxury with a ride that feels sporty yet refined. Plus, with its sturdy build and proven engine, you can bet it'll keep going even after the warranty has expired. If you're looking for a car that blends performance, style, and long-term reliability, the C200 Compressor delivers just that. It's one of those cars that you can drive with confidence, knowing it's not going to let you down anytime soon. BMW 3 Series E46. Not many car buyers see a BMW at a dealership and purchase it because they think, that's a car that'll last. But if you're looking at the BMW E46, then that's all you should have on your mind. The E46 3 Series is built like a German tank, and trust me, it'll rack up kilometers like it's nothing. With its solid engine options, especially the M54 inline-6, the E46 is not only a joy to drive, but also known for its exceptional durability. These cars have a way of just sticking around, and owners swear by their ability to reach and even surpass 300,000 kilometers with minimal issues. Sure, you may have to put a little work into maintenance here and there, but the payoff is massive when you're cruising down the highway years later, still feeling like you're behind the wheel of a brand new luxury car. Audi B5. Zooming in next and zooming in fast, let's take a look at the Audi B5, a car that doesn't get nearly as much attention as it deserves. The B5 Audi A4, especially the ones powered by the 1.9 TDI diesel engine, are true workhorses. People who own these swear by them, and it's easy to see why. This is a car that's simple enough to maintain, yet packed with German engineering that gives you solid, long-term reliability. Thanks to its robust engine and durable build, the B5 A4 can easily smash that 300,000 kilometer mark without blinking. Whether you're driving on a long road trip or navigating city traffic, the B5 handles it all with ease. Plus, it has the understated Audi luxury feel, so you're not just driving a car that'll last forever, you're driving in style. Pujo 405. At number 10 on our list, we have the Pujo 405. Now, get this, this is not just a car, it's the epitome of longevity. Known for its tough-as-nails engine and unyielding build quality, the Pujo 405 has been a favorite among drivers who appreciate longevity. Whether it's the diesel or the petrol version, the 405 has a reputation for reliability that just won't quit. These cars are still seen on the roads worldwide, and many owners boast about hitting that elusive 300,000 kilometer mark with minimal fuss. While the 405 might not be the sexiest car in the world, it's the ultimate example of a vehicle that gets the job done without any drama. You could be driving this car for decades and still be amazed by how it keeps going, kilometer after kilometer. Alfa Romeo 166. Approaching the end of our list, we take a quick detour to Italy to check out the Alfa Romeo 166. The 166 is one of those cars that surprises you with how well it holds up over time. It's not just about its gorgeous swooping design or its performance, it's also about how dependable this car is. People often assume that Alfa Romeo means high maintenance, but the 166 bucks that trend. With its solid engines, especially the V6, this car is built to go the distance. There's something about the 166 that makes you feel like you're driving a car that's not just a luxury ride, but one that's going to be around for a very long time. Hit 300,000 kilometers in this Italian beauty, and you'll still be enjoying the same sporty ride you loved when you first got it. Volkswagen Jetta. At number 12 is the Volkswagen Jetta. Yep, another Volkswagen, because why not? The Jetta, especially in its earlier models, is the poster child for a car that refuses to quit. Known for its simple yet efficient design, the Jetta's diesel engines are particularly revered for their ability to easily go beyond 300,000 kilometers. This car is a true testament to German engineering, offering solid handling, good fuel economy, and a surprisingly comfortable ride. Owners of the Jetta are often the most loyal fans because it's the kind of car you can throw a ton of kilometers on and still trust it to get you from point A to point B without hesitation. It's not flashy, but it's built like a fortress and keeps going, even when you least expect it. Number 13, 1999 Mercedes-Benz CLK430. And for the last vehicle on our list of cars that can easily do over 300,000 kilometers, we have the 1999 Mercedes-Benz CLK430. This car, powered by a V8 engine, not only offers a thrilling driving experience, but it's also known for its ability to rack up kilometers without breaking a sweat. The build quality of the CLK430 is top-notch, and the engineering inside is made to withstand years of use. With regular maintenance, the CLK430 will easily cruise past 300,000 kilometers, and you'll still feel like you're driving a luxury vehicle. It's a car that can hold its own on long road trips, handle everyday driving without issue, and still make you feel like royalty behind the wheel. If ever there was a car built with the sole purpose of being an all-rounder, this is it. Which of these cars can you vouch for its longevity? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. To enjoy more exciting videos, click play on the video on your screen and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when a new video drops.